Namaste everyone. So today we are going to practice Surya Namaskar. First I will perform the step of the Surya Namaskar and then later on I'll guide you step by step. So let's start. Try to come onto the top of your mat, both your feet together. Roll your shoulders back, hands by the side, Tadasana. Now inhale, fold your arms, exhale out. Now inhale, raise your arms for the Urdhva Hastasana, extending your trunk. With exhalations, slowly and gently try to go for the Uttanasana, pressing your palms by the side of your feet. Now stretch your right leg back, pushing your pelvis down, look front. Stretch your left leg back, come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, bend your knees, bring your chest down, Chaturanga Dandasana. Shuffle forward for the Bhujangasana. Now tuck your toes, come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your left leg forward, your right leg forward. Uttanasana. Inhale, come up for the Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Namaskar Tadasana. Repeat onto your left side. Inhale, go for the Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, go down for the Uttanasana. Stretching your left leg back, your right leg back. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees, go down for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Shuffle forward for the Bhujangasana. Come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your right leg forward, your left leg forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, Urdhva Hastasana, Namaskar Asana and Tadasana. Now this one was complete round of Surya Namaskar. So let's start with step by step. Come onto the top of your mat, fold your hands, inhale Urdhva Hastasana, or you can extend your trunk, stretch your both the palms back by extending your dorsal spine up. Stretching your arms, you can bend your trunk back. Beginners, they can just stretch their arms up. Now exhale, try to go down for the Uttanasana, pressing your palms by the side of your feet. Or you can bend your knees, resting your abdomen onto your thighs, but try to raise your buttocks up, look front, and then slowly try to straighten your legs. Press your palms, stretch your right leg back, pushing your pelvis down, or you can bend your knee, flatten your feet behind, Ashwashanjalan. Now tuck your toe behind, lift up your knee up, stretch your left leg back, come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now slowly bend your knees to go for the Chaturanga Dandasana. You can push your trunk a little forward. Your shoulders should be a little forward of your wrist. Bring your chest down, Chaturanga Dandasana, and then slowly shuffle forward for the Bhujangasana. Don't try to raise your shoulders up. If you are not able to lift it up, you can bend your elbow and try to hold. Now slowly come onto your knees, come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now your right leg forward, left leg forward, or you can bend your knees, rest your abdomen if your palms are not reaching down. Uttanasana. Inhale, raise your arms up, Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, Namaskar Tadasana. Now on the other side, inhale, go for the Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, go down for the Uttanasana. If your palms are not reaching down, bend your knees, rest your abdomen onto your thighs. Go for the Uttanasana. Now stretch your left leg back, bending your knees, flatten your feet behind, Ashwashanjalan. Come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Bend your knees. Try to go down for the Chaturanga Dandasana. Shuffle forward for the Bhujangasana. You can tuck your toes and try to shuffle forward. Now tuck your toes, come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Your right leg forward. Either you can bend your left knee and then slowly bring your left leg forward. For Uttanasana, again you can bend your knees and then slowly inhale, raise your arms up for the Urdhva Hastasana. Namaskar Asan and Tadasana. Thank you.